Who says beautiful home decor has to be expensive? For this corner of my home, I decided to use things I already had instead of buying something new. A few discarded pieces, some old materials, a little creativity, and lots of patience. And these beautiful blue and white decor pieces came to life. हेलो गाइस, तो शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो. द बेस्ट पार्ट, ऑलमोस्ट ज़ीरो बजट. So I have painted my boxes with the white color, and this is the acrylic marker I'm showing in the video. If you are good with the paint brush and the painting, then you can go for it. If you're not, then use these acrylic markers and you can just draw any pattern you want. If you don't have much time and you don't want to spend so much effort on painting, then do the tissue paper transfer technique, which I'm going to show you in the video ahead. I believe sometimes the things we call waste are actually just waiting for a little imagination. So before you throw something away, ask yourself, can I turn this into something beautiful? Because decorating your home doesn't always need a big budget. Sometimes all you need is creativity. So our third technique, which is print transfer. So this is tissue paper and PVA glue with the water. तो आपको अच्छे से पहले नीचे ग्लू जो है वो पूरा कवर कर लेना है, एंड देन आप टिश्यू पेपर का जो भी एरिया सिलेक्टेड प्रिंट जो आप इस पर लगाना चाहते हो उसी हिसाब से कटिंग कर लो ताकि वो इजी हो जाए आपको ट्रांसफ़र करने के लिए. और आपके पास एक पॉली बैग ज़रूर होना चाहिए. कोई भी ऐसे ट्रांसपेरेंट एक पॉली बैग ले लीजिएगा. और देखो मैंने इस पर थोड़ा सा वाटर स्प्रे किया है सो दैट ये ना फटे नहीं. टिश्यू पेपर जो है टेयर ऑफ हो जाता है जब आप ज़्यादा उसे रब करते हो, और वो अगर थोड़ा सा मॉइस्चर्ड होगा, गीला होगा, क्योंकि मेरा टिश्यू थोड़ा सा थिक है, तो वो ग्लू के साथ इजीली चिपक जाएगा. सो जब आप इस पे पॉली बैग के साथ इसे जब ऐसे पेस्ट करोगे ना, तो आपके वो जो टेयरिंग का इशू है वो नहीं आएगा. यूजुअली आपको वीडियोस में ये कोई नहीं बताता. सो नाउ यू जस्ट watch the video and see the techniques I'm using and enjoy the show. प्लीज़ इग्नोर दीज ब्लू लाइंस जो नीचे से आपको झांक रही हैं, बिकॉज मैंने इसको वाइट से कवर नहीं किया था. जस्ट टू मेक द वीडियो क्विकली आई kept it as it is, but I'm going to cover it with the gold pen so that it comes out more beautiful than. I am securing my project with this wood varnishing. You can use the Mod Podge or the other varnishing products which are available in the market. I have used air dry clay which are available on the Amazon, and it didn't came out very nice because it had lots of cracks after drying. So I will suggest you guys to use the resin based clays, the molding clays. This plate was broken, so I uh, repaired it with the clay first, and then I'll be using the tissue paper. I'm again saying, if you have lots of time and you love doing the art and craft, you have time, then you can just go for the painting simply, because that's more relaxing. This will be a tricky part, so you need to adjust the tissue paper according to the print you're using. highlight with the gold and your pieces are ready to slay. If you have any query, then please write in the comment section. I will be happy to answer you. Please subscribe the channel. It gives me lots of motivation to make more videos. Thank you. Take care.